Reconnect with our wild side and work with the grain of nature, not against it, to grow a richer, more biodiverse countryside, to see where there are opportunities to re-wet and re-wild wherever possible. We're working on projects with community groups where we are celebrating the farming heritage and the history and the biodiversity in the landscape, but we want things to be better and to be more robust. What we're interested in really are local responsive actions. Conservation organisations cannot do this by themselves. They need to reach out and work with landowners large and small to have a landscape that's more resilient to environmental change.